What up, y'all? Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Air Jordan 10 in the cool gray colorway for you guys. This is a pretty cool Air Jordan 10 if you ask me, because it does have a special detail to the shoe. Although it has a tonal cool gray upper, there are a little cool detail on the outsole that I'm going to mention a little bit later. Jordan 10 already released a cool gray colorway, I believe in 2003 or 2003, if I'm not mistaken. But this one is slightly different because the bottom of the shoe, where all of his accomplishments are, is highlighted with a color that Michael Jordan and the Bulls beat on their way to 6 championships. So every color represents a team that they beat in the finals to get to the championship level of 6 rings collectively. So that's a pretty cool little detail. So let's start with the bottom. Since we're already there, the shoe has a bunch of different colors on the bottom where the accomplishments of MJ's are, which once again represents all the teams that Jordan beat to get to 6 championships. Midsole features your classic cool gray midsole with a little hint of that multicolor aspect on the bottom of the shoe. Upper part of the sneaker mixes suede along with some tumble leather, which is really nice to see. Tumble leather right along the eyelids of the shoe. And I also love when they use leather on these little lace tips, if you may, which gives it that nice premium look. Shoes have your circular laces, and if you're a Jordan 10 connoisseur, you know that there's like these elastic bands on the tongue of the shoe. And you also have a tonal embroidery of the Jumpman on the heel right there with a little pull tab. And finally, you got your little Air Jordan detailing at the top of the sneaker right there. And you got your classic Jordan 10 tab that's on the inside part of the shoe. That is pretty much it for the cool gray Air Jordan 10, which is pretty cool. Now let's look at what these shoes look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the cool gray Air Jordan 10s look like on feet. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe on feet. I'm a big fan of 10s, and these fit true to size. And it's a pretty subtle colorway, but you do have the little details at the bottom of the shoe right there, which is a nice little detail. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Air Jordan 10s, like I said, are one of my favorite retros, one of my favorite sleepers as well. So yeah, these are dope to me. And what do you guys think about the shoe? Leave your thoughts about this sneaker in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll catch you on the next video. Peace, guys.